Good morning students, how are you all? Today, before starting a lesson, I want to discuss why eating vegetable is important for us. You know what? Vegetable gives energy, vitamins, antioxidant, fiber and water. These all are very essential for our good health. Also, eating vegetable help in protecting us against chronic diseases. So, eat lot of vegetable and stay healthy. So, before continuing the chapter, first of all, I'll discuss sentence of the day with you. That is, Papa, I am getting late for school. Repeat after me. Papa, I am getting late for school. Use these sentences in your daily life. It will help you in improving your communication in English. Okay? Now, we will start our chapter. Take out your books and open page number 255. Today, I am going to discuss with you the importance of air in our daily life. And animals need air to breathe. So what we do? We breathe oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide. The number one point is animals and human beings breathe in the oxygen and breathe out the carbon dioxide. Another point is plants take carbon dioxide and releases oxygen. That is why plants are really helpful in cleaning the air around. That is why we always insist on growing more plants. As I discussed with you earlier, nitrogen is the main gas in the air, right? So how do we get the nitrogen gas? When plants and any animal dies, their body decays and that releases the nitrogen gas. This nitrogen gas is very helpful for the growth of the plant. Can you run your bicycle with a flat tire? No, na? So, it is very important to inflate your tires of car, scooter or bicycle with air. Another point is the moving air is called wind. This moving air helps in drying our clothes and help us in flying our kites. Wind also helps us in moving our sailboat, moving the windmill and gliders. If wind is not there, the windmill fan will not move and the sailboat will also not sail. Similarly, glider will also not work. So wind is very important for all these things. Air also helps clouds to move. Have you ever seen the clouds are fixed? No, na? Whenever you look into the sky, you will find different clouds. If you watch it now and if you watch 1 hour later, you will not find that cloud at that position which you have watched earlier. It is because the air moves the clouds. Another point is oxygen supports burning. If oxygen is not present in the air, then the burning will not happen. And the last point is air helps in warming and cooling the things. If we blow the cool air, whatever things you want to cool down, it will get cool. And if you blow the hot air, the surroundings become hot. Now, I am going to discuss with you thing sheet question number 1. So, please open page number 262. Have you ever thought why our clothes take longer time to dry in rainy days? Why does it happen? I tell you. Because the humidity level in the air is high in rainy days. So it becomes difficult for moisture to change into vapor. That is why our clothes take longer time to dry in rainy days. Now, please note down this answer in your book. I repeat the answer for you. Because the humidity level in the atmosphere